Hello students. So today we shall study a chapter of geography that is major. The surface of the earth is a complex zone in which three main components that is land, water and air meet, overlap and interact. The major domains of the earth are lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. The solid portion of the earth on which we live is called lithosphere. The gaseous layers that surround the earth is called the atmosphere. And water covers a very big area of the earth's surface, and this area is called hydrosphere. The biosphere is a narrow zone where we find land, water and air together, which contains all forms of life. From the picture you can see that is there is lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, and the addition of lithosphere, hydrosphere and atmosphere, that is all three domains together, forms the biosphere. Lithosphere comprises the rocks of the earth's crust and the thin layers of soil. There are two main divisions of the earth's surface, that is continents and ocean basins. The highest mountain peak, Mount Everest, is 8,848 meters above the sea level. The greatest depth of 11,022 meters is at Mariana Trench in the Pacific Ocean. There are 7 major continents, that is Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. These are separated by large water bodies. The greater part of the land mass lies in the northern hemisphere. So the northern hemisphere is also called as the land hemisphere. The earth is called the blue planet. More than 71% of the earth is covered with water and 29% is with land. Hydrosphere consists of water in all its forms, as running water in oceans and rivers and in lakes, ice in glaciers, underground water and the water vapor in atmosphere all comprise the hydrosphere. Oceans are the major part of hydrosphere. They are all interconnected. The ocean waters are always moving. The three chief movements of ocean waters are the waves, tides and the ocean currents. Apart from the 7 continents, there are 5 main oceans in the world. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Southern Ocean. Out of these oceans, Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world, while Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean in the world. Atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of gas called the atmosphere. It provides us the air we breathe and protects us from the harmful effects of sun rays. The atmosphere extends up to a height of about 600 kilometers. The layers of the atmosphere: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere and exosphere. So there are mainly 5 layers of atmosphere. Oxygen is the breath of life, while nitrogen helps in the growth of living organisms. Carbon dioxide, though present in minute amount, is important as it absorbs heat radiated by the earth, thereby keeping the planet warm. It is also essential for the growth of plants. The biosphere is a narrow zone of contact between the land, water and air. It is in this zone that life that is unique to this planet exists. All the living organisms, including humans, are linked to each other and to the biosphere for survival. The organisms in the biosphere may broadly be divided into the plant kingdom and the animal kingdom. The 3 domains of the earth interact with each other and affect each other in some way or the other. There is thus a need to limit the use of resources of the earth to maintain the balance of nature between the domains of the lithosphere, the hydrosphere and the atmosphere. Thank you.